Crypto exchanges are where traders can buy, sell, and convert different cryptocurrencies and NFTs. They are necessary for digital assets to be traded at the scale they are today. Some exchanges offer the most competitive prices or speeds, whereas others provide specialized financial products. Welcome to this Crypto Lab channel. Watch the full video to learn more about Best Crypto Exchanges platform. What's going on with crypto? Last year was not a kind year for crypto. Several large organizations, still grappling with a series of industry scandals and the meteoric plummet of crypto that started in late 2021, either filed for bankruptcy or paused customer withdrawals. Most recently, FTX and Binance, two giants of the crypto world, have been in the limelight for less than flattering reasons. On November 11, 2022, FTX put out a statement on its Twitter page announcing that it was filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and that its CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was resigning. This was a huge shock to the entire crypto ecosystem and greatly affected the way people perceived the industry as they welcomed the new year. Binance's stumbles following the collapse of FTX have not helped improve public perception, either. Shortly after releasing their proof of reserves in December, the very same accounting firm that audited Binance deleted the website containing the exchange's proof of liabilities. Best for beginners, Coinbase. We chose Coinbase as the best crypto exchange for beginners because of its easy-to-use interface, extensive educational material on everything from blockchain to volatility, and robust security features. If you're familiar with crypto, chances are you've already heard of Coinbase. The exchange is one of the largest and most well-known in the US, and the platform does a great job of lowering the barrier to entry for new investors with a straightforward onboarding process that eases users into trading. At the same time, its interface makes navigating the platform and managing crypto a seamless experience. Coinbase also features a comprehensive and accessible variety of learning materials. Users are encouraged to use these resources through the Coinbase Earn program, which teaches how to trade specific cryptocurrencies and rewards users with free crypto. Best for low fees, Bitstamp. We chose Bitstamp as the best crypto exchange for low fees because of its highly competitive maker-taker fees, free bank account transfers, and strong cybersecurity. Many crypto exchanges promise low fees as a way to entice traders to join their platforms. Then, they catch you with expensive transfer and withdrawal fees, or it turns out that those low fees only apply to users with an extremely high volume of trades. This is not the case with Bitstamp, which features inexpensive fees across the board. Best for security, Kraken. We chose Kraken as the best crypto exchange for security because of its robust security tools and protections, which have allowed the company to operate seamlessly since its inception. Kraken has been around for a while now and is well known and loved by many crypto traders around the world. At first glance, the exchange may not seem to have any standout features. It's a jack of all trades, supporting more than 185 cryptocurrencies across a variety of services, which include spot trading, margin trading, staking, and futures. Best for automated trading, Pionex. US. We chose Pionex US as the best crypto exchange for automated trading because of its integrated auto trading bots, low fees, and user-friendly interface. Since its launch in 2019, Singapore-based Pionex has garnered a sizable following online thanks to the combination of an affordable fee schedule and a selection of 16 built-in trading bots. Pionex US, the United States franchise of the platform, only allows for spot trading and has just 11 bots available, but remains the most comprehensive automated solution for crypto trading. Best decentralized exchange, Bisq. We chose Bisq as the best decentralized exchange because it follows the ethos of Bitcoin best by maintaining an open-source platform that is completely decentralized without limiting currency support. Formerly known as BitSquare, Bisq brings the clean, easy-to-use interface and vast coin support of centralized exchanges to a decentralized environment. The platform is built on open-source software, meaning its design is publicly available, and the project is funded by personal savings and donations from its community of users. Bisq doesn't need a third party to conduct cryptocurrency transactions, nor does it require users to submit personal information to trade on the platform. It's an excellent alternative for Bitcoin fans looking for a wide variety of coins to trade with, including altcoins like Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin. In fact, it's not typical for decentralized exchanges to support so many digital assets and fiat currency. Best $0 commission platform, Public. We chose Public as the best $0 commission platform because, in addition to offering highly affordable trades, the exchange is remarkably easy to use and provides substantial educational content. The Public is a beginner-friendly platform that tries to mix accessible, affordable investing with an approach that puts financial literacy first. It does this by providing users with articles on a wide variety of investment topics, market updates, and a daily live show called Public Live, where a panel of experts, analysts, and journalists join to discuss market headlines. It's important to mention that Public is not a full-service cryptocurrency exchange. The platform focuses on stocks and ETFs first, meaning it lacks certain tools and operates fundamentally differently from an actual crypto exchange. Most importantly, users cannot presently transfer crypto assets into or out of their Public account. How to be sure a crypto exchange is legitimate and secure. When looking for a crypto exchange, it's essential to keep an eye out for fake websites and mobile apps. Even if the platform seems legitimate, make sure to check for any misspellings in the copy, inauthentic branding, and, in the case of a website, whether there's a small lock icon indicating security near the URL bar. Likewise, it's important to remind yourself that, scams aside, trading crypto can be dangerous. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, meaning that they are subject to sudden increases and decreases in values that even the wisest investors cannot predict with certainty. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.